Welcome back to the Tech Trends YouTube channel. Today, we are elevating your tech horizon by unveiling the top 5 best drones of 2024. These are not just machines, but extensions of our creative expression, soaring through skies with grace and precision. With leaps in autonomous navigation, extended flight times, and cinematic imaging capabilities, these drones epitomize the pinnacle of aerial innovation. They aren't merely about hovering or capturing still frames, they're about immersing in a boundless aerial realm, delivering unrivaled perspectives that were once beyond reach, ready to ascend into a world where the sky's no longer the limit. Join us as we decode the magic behind the finest flying companions of 2024. Number 5. DJI Mini 4 Pro. DJI continues its legacy of innovation with the launch of the DJI Mini 4 Pro. This marvel of engineering, weighing in at just under 249 grams, evades stringent drone regulations in various countries, making it an attractive choice for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Despite its small frame, the Mini 4 Pro is a powerhouse of features. The 1x1.3-inch CMOS wide-angle camera, coupled with true vertical shooting, enables users to capture professional quality footage and photography seamlessly. With 4K at 60 FPS HDR and true vertical shooting, the imagery quality rivals that of higher-end models. The impressive 48-megapixel image quality ensures crisp, clear photos every time. Furthermore, the 10-bit D-Log-M and HLG allow for color grading flexibility in post-production, a feature filmmakers will find handy. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing enhances flight safety, providing a stress-free flying experience. Extended battery life is another noteworthy upgrade. The 3,850 mAh battery provides up to 45 minutes of flight time, ensuring you have ample time in the air to get the perfect shot. The robust 20 km FHD video transmission ensures a strong connection between the drone and controller, while the Active Track 360 degrees keeps subjects in frame effortlessly. At $759, the DJI Mini 4 Pro offers a suite of high-end features in a compact, user-friendly design, making aerial photography and videography accessible to a broader audience. Number 4. DJI Air 3. The DJI Air 3 is a game-changer in the world of aerial photography and videography. This state-of-the-art drone features a dual-camera system capable of capturing 48MP photos and 4K 60fps HDR videos, ensuring superior details and effortlessly epic imaging. The 1x1.3-inch CMOS wide-angle camera and 1x1.3-inch CMOS medium telecamera allow for versatile shooting, with 4K 60fps HDR and 4K 100fps capabilities. With 10-bit D-Log-M and 10-bit HLG color modes, the DJI Air 3 offers a 48% improvement over the previous generation, ensuring more dynamic and vibrant images. Additionally, the drone has a maximum flight time of 46 minutes, allowing for longer shooting sessions. The DJI O4 transmission system provides up to 20 kilometers of transmission distance, with a 1080p 60fps live feed, with a max horizontal speed of 21 ms, a max ascent speed of 10 ms, and a max descent speed of 10 ms. The DJI Air 3 is incredibly agile and responsive. Plus, with a maximum takeoff altitude of 6,000 meters, it's capable of capturing breathtaking aerial shots from great heights. The Lightcoot app and DJI RC2 remote controller make controlling the drone and editing the footage easier than ever. With a range of intelligent features and advanced shooting options, the DJI Air 3 is designed to make capturing stunning aerial imagery as easy as possible. Priced at $1,099, the DJI Air 3 is a top-of-the-line drone that offers a range of advanced features for professional photographers and videographers. With its dual-camera system, superior imaging capabilities, and impressive flight performance, it's an excellent investment for those looking to capture epic aerial shots with ease. Number 3. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is the ultimate drone for professionals, boasting a range of advanced features that set it apart from the competition. One of its standout features is the tri-camera system with Apple ProRes support, which includes a 4x3 CMOS Hasselblad camera with a 24mm equivalent f2.8 f11 lens and 20MP sensor, as well as dual telecameras, a 1x1.3-inch CMOS medium telecamera with a 70mm equivalent 3x optical zoom f2.8 lens and 48MP sensor, and a 1x2-inch CMOS telecamera with a 166mm equivalent 7x optical zoom, 28x hybrid zoom, f3.4 lens, and 12MP sensor. With a maximum flight time of 43 minutes, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro allows for extended shooting sessions. It can capture video at 1K 50 FPS and 4K 120 FPS, and features 10-bit D-Log for more dynamic and vibrant images. The flagship video transmission system provides a 1080p by 60 fps HD live feed and 15 km HD video transmission. Additionally, the Mavic 3 Pro features omnidirectional obstacle sensing and APAS 5.0, which allows for safer and more efficient flight. With 1 TB of SSD internal storage, there's plenty of space to store your high-quality footage. Priced at $2,199, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro is a significant investment, but one that is well worth it for professional photographers and videographers. With its advanced camera system, superior flight performance, and intelligent features, it offers everything you need to capture stunning aerial imagery with ease. Number 2. Autel Evo Max 4T. The Autel Evo Max 4T is a leading drone in the world of drone intelligence. This state-of-the-art drone is equipped with an 8K 10x optical zoom, a thermal camera with 640 by 512 resolution and 16x digital zoom, a wide camera with a 50MP 1x1.28-inch CMOS sensor, and a zoom camera with a 48MP sensor and 8K 10x optical zoom with a maximum of 160x zoom. These features make the Evo Max 4T incredibly versatile and suitable for various professional applications. One of the drone's standout features is its autonomous pathfinding capability, which allows for navigation in GPS-denied environments. Additionally, the drone can accurately identify and track objects, making it ideal for search and rescue missions or surveillance operations. The Autel Skylink 3.0 provides a transmission range of up to 12.4 miles, while the 720 degrees obstacle avoidance system ensures safe flight even in challenging environments. The drone also features anti-jam and anti-interference technologies, an 8,070 mAh hot-swappable battery with a 42-minute maximum flight time, and a 27 miles per hour maximum wind resistance. With an IP43 weather rating, the Evo Max 4T can operate in less than ideal weather conditions. The AMesh 1.0 mesh networking technology, 3D map planning, multiple mission types, and data security features make the drone incredibly advanced and capable of handling complex operations. Additionally, the multi-channel projection screen and Autel SDK allow for customization and integration with other systems. Priced at $8,999, the Autel Evo Max 4T is a significant investment, but its advanced features and capabilities make it well worth it for professionals in various fields. Number 1. DJI Inspire 3. The DJI Inspire 3 is the epitome of power and performance in the world of professional drones. With a sleek, integrated design, this drone boasts a maximum video transmission range of 15 kilometers and features an ultra-wide night vision FPV camera with a 161-degree field of view and a 1x1.8-inch CMOS sensor that captures 1080p video at 60 frames per second. Additionally, the tailor-made 8K sensor allows for internal recording of ProRes RAW up to 8K and 75 FPS, and Cinematic up to 8K and 25 FPS. The DJI Inspire 3 also features dual native ISO, 14+ stops of dynamic range, and DL mount lenses. The TB51 dual battery system, with a capacity of 4,280 mAh, provides an extended flight time of up to 28 minutes. Additionally, the drone comes with a 1 TB DJI Pro SSD included and features the O3 Pro video transmission and control system and the DJI RC Plus with a built-in 7-inch 1200 nit high bright screen, which extends to 6 hours. Other notable features of the DJI Inspire 3 include visual sensors, positioning antennas, and a gimbal that supports obstruction-free 80 degrees upward angle shooting. The High Mobility Precision Flight System, centimeter-level RDK positioning, and dual antenna orientation ensure accurate and stable flight. Additionally, the drone features Waypoint Pro, 3D Dolly, Spotlight Pro, and an omnidirectional sensing system for enhanced flight and filming capabilities. Priced at $16,499, the DJI Inspire 3 is a significant investment, but its advanced features and capabilities make it well worth it for professional filmmakers and photographers. In conclusion, the top 5 drones of 2024 offer groundbreaking features, from high-resolution cameras to advanced flight capabilities. Whether you're a professional filmmaker, photographer, or hobbyist, there's a drone on this list to meet your needs and elevate your aerial photography and videography to new heights. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share this video with fellow tech enthusiasts. And remember to subscribe to the Tech Trends YouTube channel to stay updated on the latest in tech reviews.